Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Here I will not only teach you how to speak English but also how to stay motivated while learning it. Hi, if you are watching this video, maybe you are just like me. You understand English. You know vocabulary, grammar, tenses, everything. You can understand English. You can read English. Even understand fast English movies and videos. But when it comes to speaking, you freeze. You forget words. You hesitate. Your mind goes blank and you stay quiet. You feel stuck. And sometimes it hurts. This happened with you too, right, friends? It used to happen with me as well. I used to feel like I listen to so much English. I understand English well. But when it comes to speaking, I freeze. But still, something happens. Why can't I speak? But let me tell you, friends, in this journey, you are not alone. You ask yourself, why can't I speak? Even I know English. I have learned so much. Then why can't I speak? What's the reason behind this? Then why can't I say the words when I need them? I felt this. And if you have to, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm not just going to talk about English. I'm going to talk about the emotions behind it. Look, I'll tell you what difficulties we face while speaking. See, the problem is not that we don't know English. We know it, we understand it. But when it comes to speaking, it feels like our brain stops working. The words just disappear. We know what we want to say in our mind, but our tongue doesn't move. Our mouth stays shut. In that moment, we feel small. We feel hesitate. We feel like, why can others speak so easily but I can't? And then comes the fear, the hesitation. What if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I forget the words in the middle? So instead of trying, we stay quiet. We smile, we nod. But inside, we feel helpless. We walk away from conversations, we avoid calls, we don't speak in front of others. Not because we don't want to, but because we are afraid. Why does this happen? Even when we know English, you might think, I have learned grammar, I know vocabulary, then why can't I speak? The truth is, speaking is not just about knowledge, it's about confidence, it's about practice, and it's about how you feel inside. When we learn English, we more focused on books, rules, and exercises. But we never learn how to use English in real life. How to live the language. Nobody taught us how to handle the fear, how to speak without feeling judged, how to speak, how to make mistakes and still smile. School, if we made mistakes, people laughed. At home, nobody spoke English. So we learn it like a subject, not like a language. That's why today our brain knows English, but our tongue doesn't trust itself. We hesitate because we were never allowed to be free with English. We were told, speak correctly, don't make grammar mistakes, speak fluently or don't speak at all. And that pressure, that fear, it becomes a block in our mind. So today, when we try to speak, all those fears come back. And we hesitate. We overthink every word. We judge ourselves before others too. And slowly, we start believing, maybe I'm not just made for the English language, but that's not true. Not at all. Alright, let me tell you, friends, how to come out of all these problems. How to believe in yourself. Yes, I can speak English. I will speak it well. So today I'm going to share all the techniques I use to improve my English. It doesn't matter who are you. Even if you are a complete beginner in this language, you can learn it, you can speak it. Just make a promise to yourself. If I can do, then you definitely can too. How to come out of this step by step. The first step, stop blaming yourself. You are not weak. You are not less than anyone. You have already come a long way. Understanding is not a small thing. You are stuck between knowledge and expression, and we can fix that. Step number one, speak every single day, even just 5 minutes. Lock yourself in a room, look into the mirror. Say anything. Say how your day was, what you ate, what you feel. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is to make your tongue used to the language. No audience, no fear. Just you and your voice. Step number two. Stop thinking in your native language. Whenever you try to translate in your mind Hindi to English, for example, you slow down. You get stuck. So instead, start thinking directly in English. Not मैं पानी पी रही हूँ, but just I'm drinking water. Let your brain make those connections naturally. Step number three, use small sentences in your daily life. Start with small phrases in your daily life. Instead of saying मैं आ रही हूँ, say I'm coming. These small switches build your muscles memory. The more you use English in your real life, the more confident you become. Step number four, make mistakes and be proud of them. English is not your native language. You will make mistakes. I make them too. But don't let that stop you. Because every mistake is a step forward. Smile, correct yourself, and move on. Fluency comes from freedom, not fear. Step number five, surround yourself with English, not pressure. Listen to English, read English, watch English, but don't stress. Don't try to understand every word. Just absorb. Like a baby does, they learn their first language, and slowly you start understanding the flow. Don't try to understand every word. Just absorb. Like a baby does, they learn their first language, and slowly your brain will start understanding the flow. And one day, even without realizing, you will start speaking. If you are still here watching this till the end, I just want to say you are not alone. There are thousands of people who exactly feel like you. Smart, talented, capable. But when it comes to speaking English, they feel stuck. It doesn't mean you are weak. It only means you need some healing. Not practice, but healing. It only means you need some healing. Not practice, but healing. Don't hide your voice. Don't wait for the perfect English. Start with broken English. Start with shaky English. Start with nervous English, but start. Because the word will come, the flow will come, and the confidence will grow. English is just a language, but your voice, your thoughts, your feelings, they matter. And the words need to hear them in your own way, in your own word, fluent or not. So the next time your brain will say you can't speak, look in the mirror and say back, I can, I will. Because this time you are not giving up. Don't doubt yourself. You are more capable than you think. Keep watching, friends, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.